Hoyo gaja hai. Hoyo gaja hai. Hoyo gaja hai. Gaja hai. Hoyo gaja hai. Hoyo gaja hai.
Gaja hai.
Gaja hai. Gaja hai. Say governor with wallet.
Governor with wallet. Governor with wallet.
Guys, I'm at 12,000 subscribers right now, and I'm trying to get to 15K subscribers. So please click that subscribe button, and I would really appreciate it. Thank you.
Salam alaikum. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am here with the one and only Daoud and
Your Sahib.
my Sahib, my brother from my mother, Brian.
Yeah.
Yes, for all the people that don't know, or Somali, Daoud is also a YouTuber. Brian's a YouTuber too. And today they wanted to learn more about Somali culture, and I'm gonna give them more depth and stuff. So I hope you guys are ready. Are you ready?
We're ready. I'm so ready.
Are you ready? Are you ready to be Somali for 30 minutes?
I'm so ready.
I'm ready.
Okay,
I'm ready, bro.
okay.
I will master Somali language.
You're gonna master Somali. By the time I leave this house, you're gonna know at least a couple of greetings, a couple of ways. You know, at least you will know a little conversation words.
Get it.
You ready?
Yeah.
Okay. First, I'm gonna teach you the greetings. The greetings, like let's say you're approaching somebody and you wanna say hi to them. You say setahai.
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 Yeah.
That means hello.
No, setahai means hey, how are you doing?
So,
Yeah.
Setahai.
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 Setahai. Sahib.
Setahai.
Yeah, setahai. So that's how you say hi.
Hi.
Let's say you see a beautiful woman, right?
Mashallah.
Mashallah. And you try to tell her you're beautiful.
Yeah.
You say Qurhulay.
Qurhulay.
Batah. Yeah.
Batah.
That means you're beautiful.
Gorhulay Batah.
Yeah.
Qurhulay Batah.
Yes, say mashallah. I know we got the most beautiful women in the world. What's life without a Somali woman? Say mashallah though.
Yeah. So let's say we're gonna give her a random name. Say Sarah.
Intanku Aruso Arab.
Jasmine Intanku Arasa. What's it?
Intanku Arosaraba.
Intanku Arasa Araba.
So let's say after you Halimo. So Halimo is like that's the name we call all Somali women. Halim. So you say Halimo.
Halim.
So say Halimos. That means Halimos and Farah. Farah we call the guys. Just trying to make them all in one.
Halimos.
So the food. I'm gonna teach you that's the food. The food. First of all, banana. Banana. We eat every food that we eat with banana.
Yeah.
It's interesting.
It's like a side dish.
You like kimchi.
Almost like it's like kimchi in Korea. Like,
Yeah.
Every time we eat rice, ramen, we need kimchi.
You need banana.
Banana.
So, banana.
If you never tried eating banana with your food, you should actually try it. It's really good. We eat banana with everything. Every single thing. You'll thank me later.
You say mos. Yeah. So if you let's say you at the restaurant and you don't have no mos, you'd be like mos ici.
Mosisi.
Where's
Mos ici sahib.
Mosisi Sahih.
Yeah.
Mosisi.
Bris, there's no mos.
Bris.
No, bris means rice. So you'd be like, the rice, there's no banana.
So
say,
bris.
Mos
Sahis.
ici sahib.
Oh my god. Mos.
Say mos ici sahib.
Sahih.
Yes.
Mos isi.
Sahih.
Mos ici sahib.
Mos isi Sahih.
Yes.
Mos isi Sahih.
Mos ici sahib. Okay, Somali song.
It's like a trope, you know?
Oh yeah.
The Korean like
Yeah,
traditional.
like traditional. Yeah.
뽕짝이. 뽕짝.
진짜 그러네.
I like the vibe.
What is he saying?
I don't know Somali word. You know they use hard words sometimes. I'd be like,
Is he talking about love?
he's talking about yeah. What do you think of that one?
It's good.
It's good. Yeah.
It's good.
It's really good. Like chill and more like soft music.
Yeah.
Yeah, they have their own way of saying so.
I like the beat. I like the beat. Like,
Yeah.
How do you say in Korean? Anjero. No. No. How do you say food?
음식.
Huh?
음식.
Umshik.
Perfect. Yeah.
Umshik.
Yeah.
음식.
Yeah.
I need some umshik.
Yeah.
Okay, how do you say? I need a wife.
Oh.
나는 아내가 필요해.
Ana.
아내.
Ana.
아내.
Ane.
아내가
Anaka.
필요해.
Piliohead. Anika Piliohead. Oh yeah!
man.
Anaka Piliohead.
How do you say that in Somali? I need a wife.
Has.
Has.
Has Bahanya. Has. Ban.
반.
U. Ba.
바.
Henehi.
하나해.
Yeah.
하스바누바 하네.
Yes!
하스바누바하네.
Yo, you guys are good. You guys. We learned it. I'm learning Korean. They learning Somali. You know.
It's like language exchange.
Language. If you guys don't know a lot of languages, you have to learn. You gotta mix culture.
Yeah, it's cool.
That's, you
I
know,
like that.
It's 21st century. You gotta keep
should
an
learn
open
each other.
mind.
Yeah, you gotta have open mind. You gotta learn different cultures, different. I like learning new different stuff. You know.
Yeah.
What else? Let me teach. How do you say? This girl made me mad.
이 여자 좀 미친 것 같은데. 이 여자 좀 미친 것 같은데. 이 여자 좀
This
아,
bitch
미친
is
것
crazy.
좀 미친 것 같아.
미친 것 같다. She's crazy. That's
미친
what
거.
he's saying.
Pachink?
미친.
This chick's crazy.
How you say?
미친 거
Pachinko?
같아.
Pachinko kata.
Yeah, perfect. 미친 것 같아.
미친 것 같아.
미친 것 같아.
Pachinko kate?
어,
Pachinko kate?
미친
미친
것
것
같아.
같아.
Pachinko kate?
미친 것 같아.
Oh shit! I'm learning. Hey, Sarah, Pachinko kate? Stay away from me.
Sarah.
I don't know. Random. I just give random names. Okay.
How to say in Somali? This girl is crazy.
This ten gabada?
가보다?
We walante.
와일런트.
We walante.
와일런트.
Yeah.
가보다? 가보다 와일런트.
가보다 왜 말랐어?
Say going on with walante.
가보다 왜 말랐어? 가보다 왜 말랐어? 가보다 왜 말랐어?
와일런트.
But going on with walante. Oh my god, you guys are hilarious. Okay, ask me another word. Another word. Ask another word.
Other one. Like
재밌는 거.
또 뭐 있지 좀 재밌는 거. How do you say? I want to start a family with you.
너무 어려울 것
No,
같은데.
maybe it's too long. Wait.
Have to say I love you.
One kuchalahi.
One kujahalai. One
Say one kuchalahi.
One kuchahalahi.
One kuchalahi. You
One
can say
kuchahalahi, bro.
one kuchalahi, sir.
One
One kuchahalahi,
kujahalai.
sir.
One kuchalahi, habibi.
Habibi.
Habibti.
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 Habibti. Habibi.
I don't know.
Habibti is.
Habibi.
That's
Bro.
Arabic. I don't know Arabic.
Yeah.
One kujahalai.
One kuchalahi. So
Forever.
you can say, "Kuruhlay, wanku ja'alahay." Hey, beautiful. I love you.
Kurhule, one
One
jahala.
Oh, oh my God! They coming right now. They coming. They coming right there.
Where are they?
I think right there. They coming. Oh man. So hey, listen. Daoud did a Somali woman in his life, and Brian does too. You gotta give him Somali woman.
We're ready.
They're ready.
I'm ready too.
Life's
ready.
short. We're ready.
Okay.
We're always ready.
I'm gonna ask.
24/7.
How do you say? I'm tired.
아 피곤해.
Pione.
피곤해.
피곤해.
Today I am pione.
응.
Pione or
피곤해.
Pico-
피곤해.
Picone.
피곤해.
Today I am picone.
Perfect.
Wow, I'm learning Korean.
You're so talented.
I am. Listen, I know more than I knew before I came here. So I'm actually, give me probably 30 days. I'm gonna be fluent. You think?
I think so. Yeah.
Yeah.
Your pronunciation is
It's good. It's really good.
So
Yes.
so you think if I go to Korea, they'll think I'm Korean?
Yeah.
Yeah. You look like Korean.
Yeah. Perfect. Yeah.
This guy is funny. No, you look more Somali than me. Yeah. You got their eyes.
Yeah.
You got Somali eyes.
Somali vibe.
Somali eyes. You gotta make sure you bring at least a couple of bananas with you. So they know it's
One jahala.
Uncle Jala.
Uncle Jala.
Okay. Two more and we're gonna wrap it up.
Okay.
Ask me one. I'm gonna teach you.
Okay. One from us.
How to say, Mom, I'm hungry.
Hoyo. Oh yeah. Mom is Hoyo.
Hoyo.
Mom Hoyo.
What's
Hoyo.
that? What's that?
Abo.
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 Hoyo
and abo.
Hoyo abo.
Yeah.
Hoyo gaja.
Gaja yes.
Gaja. Hoyo gaja.
Say Hoyo Gaja
Hoyo
yes.
gaja.
Hoyo Gaja hey. Hoyo Gaja hey. Say Gaja hey. Hoyo Gaja hey. Hoyo Gaja hey.
Gaja.
Gaja hey. Gaja hey. Oh my God. Yo.
Gaja.
Gaja.
Hoyo.
Yo.
So childish.
This guy's childish, man.
That's good. We're still young.
Yeah.
Hey, uncle is Upti.
Apti.
Upti.
Apti.
Upti.
Apti.
Yeah.
Uncle. Apti.
So it's Upti.
Apti.
That's uncle. If you want to say auntie, Edo,
Edo.
Edo,
Edo.
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 And then neighbors, Deris.
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 Almost. Deris kind of makla.
Deris Karavakla.
So I said, oh, be quiet. The neighbors are hearing us.
Ah, Deris.
So it'd be like, Amos means be quiet. Deris kind of makla.
Deris Karavakla.
Deris kind of makla.
Deris Makla.
No, makla.
Makla.
No, not makla.
Na Makla.
Yeah.
Na Makla.
Dennis Makla.
These two are, yeah, they're funny. So, but guys, the video is too funny. We can't keep going because we're gonna keep laughing all day. Daoud is a YouTuber. His link is gonna be in the description. Make sure y'all go check him out. His link is gonna be in the description. Make sure y'all check him out. Korean and Somali are together.
Yeah.
Who can beat that? Nobody.
21st century.
Who's beating Somali and Korean?
Nobody.
We are
Nobody.
all brothers.
Yeah, we are all brothers.
and sisters.
Muslims, you know?
Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah. And yeah, man. So we just wrapping up. Make sure if you're new to my YouTube channel, click the subscribe button. My old channel is gone. This is the new channel. Subscribe. Do whatever you gotta do. Like whatever you gotta do. And if you're Somali, I want you to go message Daoud and tell him his Somali is good.
Yeah.
And go DM Brian and tell him his Somali is good. Yeah. And if you're Korean and you think my Korean is good, let me know. I think
It's
I
true.
did
It's
good.
true. It's good.
Yeah,
You
it's
think I'm
good.
good? Alright.
Every Koreans will know you're Korean.
Yeah.
I am full Korean now.
Yeah.
Starting today. But alright, guys. Peace and love. And
Take
we
care,
will
guys.
See y'all another time.
See ya.